morning, everyone. I'm Danisha Azara, a junior journalist from Senai Creative Studio. I'm reporting live from Yayasan Warisan Johor, the Heart of Johor Cultural Heritage. Today, we are here to witness the much anticipated Petrosains Science Drama Competition, Southern Zone Level 2024. This event showcases the incredible talent and creativity of students all over Johor. Let's find out together interesting facts about this event. Hi, do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Okay. Yes.
Hi. It's okay, you can ask me.
Sure, please.
Sure, go ahead.
Can you briefly tell me about today's program?
Thank you for interviewing me. Actually, today's program is about activities that related to STEM, in which we, State Education Department, with the help from Petrosains, Petronas, we are having Southern Region Petrosains Drama Competitions, in which the theme this year is about sustainability. Sustainability, a nation in action, in which nowadays sustainability is very important, in which we must encourage our students to practice sustainability, because sustainability is not only in terms of recycling, it's also in terms of trying to improve our lifestyle, in terms of reducing the carbon, in terms of save our energy, our water, whatsoever. So this is a very important activity in which we incorporate drama activity with the STEM aspect in our life.
Okay, so basically what is today's program is actually the Petrosains Science Drama Competition brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Petrosains, which is for the southern level. We bring the three states. Okay, we have Melaka, and then we have Negeri Sembilan and Johor for the primary category and secondary category, and then these from the state to zone, and then for the zone, for the southern zone, we represent the zone to the grand final.
Well, basically today is a program that is known as Petrosains Science Drama Competition, and this is for the Southern Zone qualifications round. And today is a day where the states, for example, for Johor, Negeri Sembilan and Melaka, came here to compete and to select who is going to be the representative from Southern Zone region.
How important do you think it is for the school to encourage participation in arts and drama?
It is very, very important and very crucial because we want to educate the student, either primary or category, through the sustainability through our science drama in a fun way.
What advice can you give to the participant who will be performing today?
Well, there are so many advices that we can give, but number one is to be confident. Okay, because sometimes there are lack of confidence. So number one, of course, definitely to be confident in whatever that you are doing on stage, whether it's acting or singing, you have to be confident. And number two is to be yourself on stage. Okay, so regardless of what characters that you have, but most importantly is to actually to be yourself on the stage.
How is this program expected to benefit the participants?
I believe that when English itself, English language, performed through drama and coupled with the scientific knowledge, will yield pupils who are not only able to converse in English but also be more knowledgeable in science, and in turns will bond those peoples who are capable to lead the future. Because I believe, for example, those who are going to be the leaders must be somebody who are able to lead in terms of scientific knowledge as well.
How do you feel after winning the competition?
Well, I feel great. It's such an honor to be chosen by the judges to represent South for this grand final. And of course, we wish to have, to get prayers from all of you who are watching here so that we can win to go to Beijing. Inshallah.
Can you please introduce yourself and tell us which school are you representing?
My name is Nur Salilim and I'm presenting for SMK Tamakota Kulai.
I'm Tinutan, anak lelaki Jagu, and I'm from SMK Datu Penggau Timur.
First of all, my name is Ashna Shankar and I'm 10 years old and I'm from SK Tengku Mariam.
Hello, my name is Asfa Farizi Kreative and I'm representing SK Dengkari 2 from Melaka.
Has this program helped in the development of your skills?
Yes. I've learned a lot of new English words, and I have taken some tips from many of the actors from the primary schools, which were surprisingly entertaining and funny.
How do you feel about participating today?
Today kind of nervous, but happy because this is the first time. Yeah.
Well, I feel happy and I feel excited because I'm waiting for the results coming in. I feel excited and a bit nervous.
Has this program provided you with new and useful knowledge?
Yes, very much. Like, I did not know there were that many substitutions on how to replace cars and how to reduce carbon emissions and footsteps.
What do you think the biggest challenge you will face today?
Our nervousness in front of everyone. I don't know what to say. Probably the biggest thing I just faced is a lot of audience is watching in front of me. So I think that's the scariest thing.
I think we face our confidence level and our nervous feelings because this is our first time doing this thing, this kind of thing.
Yes. On the stage.
Okay, thank you for your time. Hope you do the best.
Thank you.
Well, that was an insightful sharing. That's all for today. I'm Danisha from Senai Creative Studio. Bye!